Do you want to make a difference by promoting sustainability and eco-friendly practices? Welcome to the Certified Environmental Labeling Expert course, brought to you by CDG Training. Learn to master ISO 14024 compliance standards for environmental labeling and certification. Stand out in your career with globally recognized certification. Our course covers everything from ISO 14024 principles to real-world applications. This course is ideal for environmental consultants, auditors, and anyone committed to sustainability. Enjoy self-paced, interactive modules designed for your convenience. Align with global standards and make an impact internationally. Learn from industry-leading experts with years of experience. Study anytime, anywhere with our flexible online platform. Drive positive change by promoting sustainable products in the market. Test your knowledge with our certification exam and earn your credentials. Open doors to new career opportunities and higher recognition in your field. Become part of a global network of sustainability experts. Visit www.cdgtraining.com today to enroll in the Certified Environmental Labeling Expert course and start making a difference.